part of holistic lifestyle. Today we try to understand with the presentation also. Right. So our topic is we need to use all the traditional materials in the place of all the foreign goods, all the foreign materials, basically, which are made up of non-locally, probably in the out of the country and elsewhere. They are made and they are brought to the our Indian continent as well, to all our shops and everything, wherever. So they keep selling lot of things. So in the place of the thing which is made, the item which is made, the thing what is made in the out of country, and they bring here and sell it. And of course, what is there in that product, we don't know. We use it, and then all our health will be spoiled. So this is happening for the so many number of years, my dear friends. So in order to come out of that, we need to increase our knowledge of the various things what you are using. So you're using a soap, you're using a shampoo, you're using a hair dye, you're using a whatever, whatnot, toothpaste, whatever you are using, become aware of that, become aware of what is there inside that. What is there inside that particular item? What are the components? What are the ingredients? If you see that, and if you start using it, then it will be always good. So what happens is most of the time we bring it and then we start using it without any much awareness, my dear friends. So now here is the thing, like now we try to understand today some of the traditional items in the place of all the so-called the factory made and artificially made all these things. So which we try to avoid most of the time in our life also, right? Let's see one by one. So use pure coconut oil, almond oil, sesame oil, or olive oil for the scalp instead of artificial oils. Most of the time, what happens? We go and purchase, let's say, coconut oil, parachute oil we purchase from outside, and then the same thing we will apply to our head. So that is not the correct oil, which is having a lot of other chemicals also loaded into that. So that's why what you need to do, you should just take the coconut oil, almond oil, or sesame oil like this. Some of these oils are which are all which are generated out of Ghana, otherwise out of the outside farmers. They used to produce these things. Just use that. So that will be very much useful and it will do always good for you, okay, for your health. So instead of regular shampoo for the head, gourd or lemon juice or cow urine, curd, grain flour, Ayurveda shampoo or a soap, this must be used. We should not use the regular shampoo at all. Okay, these are made out of the country and also they are made in the factory and we do not know what is there inside them. Okay, which may be harmful for your head itself. Third one, instead of paste powder, what you buy outside market is very good to apply. Vibhuti made from pure desi cow milk and sandalwood powder to the paste. So that means sandalwood powder and the vibhuti, which is of course coming out of the maybe this Agnihotra and all. So likewise, okay. So apply it and then it will be much better. So instead of the air dye, put curry leaves, menthi in coconut oil and boil it. 100 ml coconut oil, 50 curry leaves, 2 spoons of menthi. So this much if you just add everything and then boil it. Okay, once you boil everything, then it will produce the kind of a air dye what you are going to use it, which will be a natural air dye, my dear friends. Okay, you can try this. Okay, and then fifth one, use Ayurvedic soap like in the place of all other soaps. Currently, what we are doing, use Ayurvedic soap, gram flour, chickpea flour, millet flour, corn flour, rice flour instead of the foreign soap. Instead of foreign soap, use this thing. Okay, which will be much helpful for you. And instead of the toothpaste, you can brush your tooth with banana, alari, mango, uttani, lemon, and bamboo sticks. And Ayurveda paste and dantamanjan can be used. So these are the products which are in the place of foreign products, my dear friends. We're trying to come to that understanding. And the other thing is, instead of a scent or a body spray, what you use only sandalwood oil and kasturi churna. These things will be much sufficient instead of using that all the artificial body deodorant and all these things. Okay, and suffering from mosquitoes at home, Agnihotra should be performed daily. Put neem leaf in the fire. In that Agnihotra fire, put the neem leaf so that all the mosquitoes, they'll be just going out. They'll not be killed. In fact, they'll not be in that area. They'll be vacated. Okay, that's how this works. Wonderful, remedy. And last one, instead of ice cream, chocolate, bread, all this we give, right, to our children. Instead of that, consume only kajur, cashew, almond, dry fruit, sugarcane milk, dry fruit, fresh fruit juice, soup, curd, honey, plant-based milk, and homemade sesame laddu, right? Jaggery with coconut. All these kind of things must be practiced from the beginning to our children. Okay, instead of giving ice cream and chocolate and bread, all these things will be immediately avoided, my dear friends. So remember all these things which are given in the place of our modern products. What are the products we can use at our home so that we'll be safe and happy and healthy, my dear friends?